Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to talk about the seamless integration of Apple products. So if you are using an Apple product like iPhone, you can seamlessly connect your iPhone with your iPad and iMac or MacBook Air, any Apple device. So when someone calls you on your iPhone, you can even receive that call on your laptop or iPad. So in this video, I just want to show you that if you have a Galaxy, you can also do the same. So what you need to do is you need to have Link Windows application installed on your Windows PC, and by that you can receive and send messages or even call your contacts from your Windows laptop. So let's jump right into it, and I'll show you how you can set this feature for your Windows 11. So as you can see, first thing first, you have to install Phone Link on your Windows 11 PC. This can be found out from a Windows Store, or it is sometimes automatically installed on your Windows device. After opening this Link Windows, you have to click on Android, as you can see on the screen. When you click on Android, it will generate a QR code on your screen. Now this QR code you have to scan on your mobile phone, like opening the Phone Link on your mobile phone, and then you have to scan this QR code as shown on the screen. After doing this, it will automatically sync your phone, and it will show all your contacts, all your pictures, call history, applications, everything. So this is a unique application by which you can easily connect your Samsung Galaxy device with the Windows 11, and also you can work you can transfer data here and there, and all the things you can do. Now keep in mind that this thing in theory should work flawlessly, but in my case it's struggling due to some reasons, but at your end it will work pretty nicely, I'm sure. So this way you can just control this application, and here you can see it has already opened my application screen. You can even see your Windows, you can see your charging capacity of your phone, and you can even, check your contacts and all that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you want to, see more videos like this related to technology, you do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading videos soon. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.